Hello, my fellow learners. We are now on the next part of our discussion that posted from the account of junior mathematicians that 90% of people are failed in this question. Wherein the question is 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4 minus 2 is equal to what? So therefore, how to deal with this? So I have to show with you how to answer this kind of situation or this kind of problem as we go through with this video. Hold on, just continue watching this video. So this is now how to answer the given problem such that 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4 minus 2. So the answer now is 20. While on the arithmetic calculator, we are going to work it out how to answer. So we have 10 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4 minus 2 equals 30. So this is now the difference of the two, but which of the two will be the correct answer? So the correct answer of the given the two set of the problem using the different calculator. The first one is for the scientific calculator and the other one is for the arithmetic calculator, which is 20. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe, follow, like, and share for the future lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.